Yeah, man. What up, man? Back in the trap house, goofies. Y'all see what's going on? What that phone that I hear ringing, man? Oh, man. Missing money and shit, calling the phone and shit, man. Fuck. Y'all see cuz on this bitch, boy. And everything. Yeah, what up, man? You know, I'm polo to the boxers, man. You know, hoodie, undershirt, pants, shoes. You know how we do it. Got the hat in the closet, you know. Cuz up there, he playing the new shit. We online now. We got online motherfucking the video game hooked up online. We can get on YouTube, MySpace, whatever online right here off the video game. Got the goofy ass laptop hooked up, man. We out here trapping and shit. Phones going ham, the steady ringing. We doing numbers, front door still going ham. You know what I'm saying? Shit, waiting on Booney Mo touch back down, waiting on Skrilla, man, touch back down. Niggas just been getting it in, man. You know, fucking bitches still, white hoes. Hello? What's up? I'm over here on the crib. I'm at the crib. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you know, man. You know, shit. It's another basic regular day, man. We just in this shit, doing real nigga shit. G&B official Get Money Boy dumb right here, boy. I just got tied up. The tap man just left. He just left. I just got this done and some more shit done, man. I'm done with it, man. We out here, though, man. Stupid fruity gun swag. We killing these niggas, man. Bang, bang, gang, pussy.